Statutes of limitations are legal time limits set on the right to bring a lawsuit or seek prosecution for a crime. They are designed to promote fairness and prevent the prosecution of stale claims. Statutes of limitations are crucial elements in the legal system that dictate the maximum amount of time allowed to pursue legal action or criminal prosecution for a specific offense. Understanding the different types of time lapses is essential for legal professionals, plaintiffs, and defendants alike. This article aims to provide a comprehensive guide to the various types of time lapses in law. 1. Civil statutes of limitations. Civil statutes of limitations apply to non-criminal legal actions, such as personal injury claims, contract disputes, and property damage cases. These time limits vary depending on the type of claim and the jurisdiction. For example, a personal injury claim may have a statute of limitations of 2 years in one state and 3 years in another. 2. Criminal statutes of limitations. Criminal statutes of limitations dictate the time frame within which a prosecutor must file criminal charges against an individual. The length of these statutes varies depending on the severity of the crime and the jurisdiction. For instance, a misdemeanor may have a shorter statute of limitations than a felony. 3. Discovery rule. The discovery rule is an exception to the standard statute of limitations. It applies when the plaintiff did not discover, or could not have reasonably discovered, the injury or harm caused by the defendant's actions until a later date. In such cases, the statute of limitations begins when the plaintiff discovers the injury or harm. 4. Tolling. Tolling refers to the suspension or extension of the statute of limitations under certain circumstances. For example, the statute of limitations may be tolled if the defendant is absent from the jurisdiction or if the plaintiff is a minor or mentally incapacitated. 5. Equitable tolling. Equitable tolling is a legal doctrine that allows for the extension of the statute of limitations based on principles of fairness and justice. It may apply in cases where the plaintiff was prevented from filing a claim due to extraordinary circumstances beyond their control. Statutes of limitations play a vital role in the legal system by setting time limits for initiating legal action or criminal prosecution. Understanding the different types of time lapses, including civil and criminal statutes of limitations, the discovery rule, tolling, and equitable tolling is essential for navigating the complexities of the legal landscape. Legal professionals, plaintiffs, and defendants should be aware of these time limits to ensure that their rights are protected and that justice is served.